What if I told you there's an OBD2 scanner that can unlock hidden features in your car, run dealer-level tests, and help you diagnose problems before they turn into expensive repairs? Today, we're taking a close look at the TOPDON ArtiDiag Pro OBD2 scanner. And by the end of this video, you'll know if this powerful scan tool is actually worth your money or just another overhyped gadget. Let's get into it. The TOPDON ArtiDiag Pro is not your basic code reader. This is a professional-grade bidirectional diagnostic scan tool designed for serious DIY mechanics and shop-level work. First, it supports full system diagnosis, meaning it scans all vehicle systems, not just the engine, ABS, SRS, transmission, BCM, HVAC, and more. One standout feature is bidirectional control. That means you can command components to work, like turning on cooling fans, testing fuel injectors, operating door locks, windows, wipers, evap systems, so you can pinpoint problems faster instead of guessing. It also offers advanced ECU coding, especially strong for VAG vehicles like VW, Audi, Skoda, and Seat, plus Benz and others. You can unlock hidden features, disable annoying alerts, and code replacement parts. Just remember to back up your ECU before making changes. On top of that, you get 35+ special service functions, including oil reset, EPB brake reset, steering angle calibration, throttle relearn, battery registration, and more, covering about 90% of common maintenance jobs. It even supports FCA Auto Off, so it works with newer Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Fiat, and Renault vehicles from 2017 and up. The touchscreen interface is clean, responsive, and easy to understand, even if you're not a pro. Pros and cons. Pros: true bidirectional control, advanced ECU coding features, 35+ service resets for real maintenance work, works on modern vehicles with CAN FD and DOIP, excellent for saving money by diagnosing problems yourself, backed by lifetime customer support from TOPDON. Cons: there is a subscription fee after 2 years, around $249. No Chrysler 12+8 or BMW 20 adapter included anymore. ECU coding requires caution. This tool is powerful, so beginners should learn before changing settings. Overall review. Overall, the TOPDON ArtiDiag Pro is an excellent investment if you're a serious DIY mechanic, mobile tech, or small repair shop owner. If you're tired of paying diagnostic fees, guessing at repairs, or being stuck with basic scanners, this tool gives you real control over your vehicle. For casual users who just want to read engine codes, it might be overkill. But for anyone who wants to think like a mechanic and save thousands, this scanner delivers. If this review helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe for more smart auto repair tips, and check out the TOPDON ArtiDiag Pro link in the description below. This is how you take control of your car and your money. See you in the next video.